So today I wanted to show you guys how to make this little travel watercolour set. I can never find a palette with all my favourite colours in that I want to use the most, so I thought I'm going to make my own with all of the colours that I use the most. And you can even take it out travelling if you want to take your sketchbook on your travels while you're gaining inspiration. I found this cute little tin at the top of Aiguille du Midi, which is a mountain in Chamonix where you can stand and look at Mont Blanc. I thought it was the perfect size to fit in some paints, and it was just really cute and had like a vintage feel. And then I bought the little pans online, so I'll pop all the links to everything in the description box. I just glued them into the tray, so you can lay it out however you like. I decided just to pop them all going down the middle, but if you want to push them up to the side and then have a little space for a paintbrush or something, that's totally fine. So while that's drying, I'm going to take out some of my watercolour paints and do like a swatch test so that I can see what colours there are and see what they come out on paper like. So these are the colours that I've chosen, and I feel like I've got quite a good range of colours that I could paint most things with them. So now I'm just squeezing them in. The magenta, I realised, was already in a pan, so I just removed that pan and just popped that one in its place. So just squeeze in the desired amount. You don't have to put a whole load in because you can always top it up later. So they will take quite a while to dry fully. I actually cut a little bit of card out and just popped it in the lid so that I could, again, just do the swatch test, and then when I go to use them I can see exactly what sort of colour it will be. But this is also removable, so you can of course remove it and use it as a mixing palette. So there we go, that's how I made my travel watercolour set. Let me know in the comments if you guys are going to make one, have made one, and how that went. So if you enjoyed this video, as always, it'd be amazing if you could hit that like button, and if you've not already, subscribe to join the family, and I'll see you soon. Thanks so much guys, bye!